The F-55 is here. America's game-changing jet unveiled. The jet that shatters expectations. Imagine a jet so advanced it doesn't just dominate the skies, it redefines what's possible in air combat. The U.S. military has officially unveiled its next-generation fighter, the F-55, and it's not just an upgrade. It's a total reinvention, built with bleeding-edge technology. This beast combines stealth, speed, AI, and quantum-enhanced sensors into one unmatched war machine. And today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about America's game-changing jet that just left the world stunned. What is the F-55? The concept becomes reality. The F-55 isn't just a successor to the F-22 or the F-35. It's their evolution. Born from DARPA's NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance initiative, the F-55 is part of a new family of systems built for 2040 and beyond. This is not a paper concept. The Pentagon has confirmed the F-55 is real. It's flying. It's operational. Key development partners include Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, and Boeing, all of whom contributed specialized tech. Think of the F-55 as a stealth fighter crossed with a supercomputer and boosted by machine learning AI and autonomous warfare systems. Design, the UFO-like silhouette. One look at the F-55, and you'll know it's something different. It features a sleek, blended-wing body, more reminiscent of a science fiction spacecraft than a traditional fighter. With no vertical stabilizers and near-zero radar signature, the F-55 is designed to vanish from enemy sensors. Even advanced Chinese and Russian radar networks will struggle to track it. Why? Because it doesn't reflect radar like older jets. It absorbs and redirects it like a ghost. The aircraft skin itself is embedded with self-healing materials and dynamic camouflage tech that allows it to change its thermal signature mid-flight. Engines, the next leap in thrust vectoring. Let's talk power. The F-55 is equipped with a next-gen adaptive cycle engine, rumored to be the XA-100 from GE or the XA-101 from Pratt & Whitney. These engines adjust airflow on the fly, providing 35% more range, 25% more fuel efficiency, and unprecedented thrust. With 3D thrust vectoring, the F-55 can make impossible maneuvers. Sudden flips, stall turns, vertical climbs, all without losing control. In a dogfight, this gives pilots a decisive edge. And if that's not enough, the F-55 can reportedly supercruise at Mach 2.2. That's sustained supersonic flight without using afterburners. That means it's fast, stealthy, and efficient all at once. AI pilot assistance and full autonomy. What sets the F-55 apart is its brain. At the heart of the jet is an onboard AI co-pilot, nicknamed Razor. Razor processes real-time battlefield data, predicts enemy movements, deploys countermeasures, and even makes combat decisions if the human pilot is incapacitated. In some configurations, the F-55 can operate in fully autonomous mode, making it optionally manned. Can fly solo missions deep into contested zones, no risk to human life. Even better, it can command a swarm of loyal wingman drones like the XQ-58 Valkyrie in a coordinated assault. This makes the F-55 the centerpiece of air dominance networks, not just a standalone fighter. Weapons, hypersonics, and directed energy. Now let's talk firepower. The F-55 comes armed to the teeth, featuring a modular internal weapons bay that can carry next-gen AIM-260J ATM, Joint Advanced Tactical Missiles, hypersonic air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, microwave-based electronic warfare pods, directed energy weapons including a 50 kilowatts laser prototype. This laser system can shoot down incoming missiles, drones, and even aircraft silently and instantly. The F-55 can even deploy EMP bombs to knock out radar grids, and cyber weapons to hack enemy comms mid-flight. This is more than firepower. It's tactical domination. Cockpit. Augmented reality takes over. Inside the F-55's cockpit, gone are the rows of switches and analog gauges. Instead, the pilot wears a Gen 3 augmented reality helmet, providing a full 360-degree, see-through-the-aircraft view. Combined with voice commands and gesture tracking, the pilot can target enemies with a glance, switch weapons with a finger wave, and even issue AI commands like talking to a co-pilot. It's not just a fighter jet. It's an extension of the pilot's mind. Sensor fusion and quantum-enhanced warfare. The F-55 sensor suite is powered by quantum radar nodes, infrared arrays, passive listening gear, and satellite-linked LiDAR. Everything is fused into one real-time God view of the battlespace, shared with allied aircraft, ships, and ground forces. And here's the kicker. The F-55 uses quantum communication, meaning its data streams are unhackable and travel faster than light, in effect due to quantum entanglement. That gives it the ability to react before the enemy even knows it's there. Stealth, beyond 5th generation. The F-55 is not 5th gen. The 6th gen stealth, a level beyond even the F-35. Its low observable coatings are self-healing. Its shape changes dynamically to reduce radar cross-section. It even uses plasma cloaking in some flight regimes to scatter electromagnetic signals. The end result. On radar, it looks like a bird, a cloud, or sometimes nothing at all. The cost of air superiority. Now, all this comes at a price. Each F-55 is estimated to cost around $300 million, making it the most expensive fighter jet in history. But for the Pentagon, that's not the point. What you're paying for is absolute air superiority in any battlespace, from the deserts of the Middle East to the skies over the Pacific. In simulations, the F-55 has already outgunned Chinese J-20s and Russian Su-57s with a 15-to-1 kill ratio. Who will get it first? As of now, only elite U.S. Air Force squadrons will receive the F-55, with special units under U.S. Indo-Pacific Command and Air Combat Command first in line. But there are whispers that close allies like the UK, Australia, and Japan may eventually gain access to a stripped-down export version, likely without autonomous or EMP capabilities. Game changer for the future of war. The unveiling of the F-55 isn't just about having a better fighter jet. It's about changing the very nature of warfare. With the ability to think, coordinate, and strike across domains land, sea, air, space, and cyber, the F-55 is more than a plane. It's a flying command center, a battlefield ghost, and a harbinger of the next warfighting era. Final thoughts. Welcome to the future. The F-55 proves that the U.S. isn't just preparing for tomorrow's wars. It's building the tools to win them before they begin. With unmatched stealth, autonomy, AI, hypersonic weapons, and quantum dominance, the F-55 is a technological masterpiece. And now that it's officially here, the world's adversaries just got a new reason to be very, very nervous. So what do you think? Is the F-55 the most advanced jet ever made, or just the beginning of something even bigger? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.